Yo, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today basically we're just gonna go ahead and show you all the mods, and we're just gonna I'm just gonna start off first with like the exterior, then we'll go with the interior, and then last one will be all the performance mods that's been done to this car. So yeah, right now I'm just driving to this little spot. Once I get there, I'll show you guys. Yeah, I'll just walk you guys through the whole car, and yeah. This car downshifts, it sounds so nice. I don't know why a lot of people hate the VQ engine. Like, there's a lot of people that don't like the sound. They say it sounds like a trumpet or a trombone, but I don't know, I kind of like it. I don't know, I guess just personal taste, but yeah. Downshift. Sheesh. Alright guys, so basically we're gonna go ahead and start with the exterior of the car. We'll go ahead and start from the front. As you can see, it doesn't have the regular G37 stock front bumper. It has a Q50 sport style bumper. So I mean, it makes it look way better, honestly. Like, I think it should have came like this, like from the factory. Yeah, and then so the hood is also carbon fiber. As you can see, it has like a glittery and then we come on this side and you see it has the carbon fiber fenders on both sides. It looks really neat. And then we come to the back over here, and as you can see, we got the carbon fiber trunk. Yeah, and we got the Nismo wheels. And it comes with the Akebono brakes. I said it wrong in the last video, but they're pronounced Akebono. But yeah, those brakes work really good. Well, yeah, that's basically most of the exterior. So now let's get to the interior of the car. Alright guys, so for the interior, there's not really much to it. When you open it up, like, as you can notice, the red Sparco seat, it's like my favorite part of the car, honestly. Like, it's so sick. It's kind of dirty, don't mind the trash. But yeah, and then inside also got the carbon fiber steering wheel. and it has like carbon fiber trim around the door panels and the middle console. But yeah, that's mostly the and got some custom floor mats. Those are really nice. But that's basically it for the interior. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the performance mods. Go open the hood. There you go. We got the VQ engine. So first of all, as you can see, we got the 3-inch air intakes. So they're double 3-inch air intakes. Yeah, and then we it also got long tube headers. I don't know if you guys can see it real good here, but yeah, you got some long tube headers. It has a Megan white pipe, and then long tube headers, the Megan white pipe, and this Rev 9 single exit exhaust. I don't know if you guys can see down there, but yeah, I think the exhaust sounds pretty good. And it also has ported upper and lower manifolds, so it just allows more air to go inside the engine. So yeah, basically full bolt-ons. It's also tuned by Admin Tuning. His name's Montsev. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get a retune done real soon whenever he has spots open. So yeah, so then we'll find out how much horsepower this car is making, and yeah, that's basically it. So basically the tune that Admin Tuning gave this car is 4 maps. The first one's just regular 91 tune. Second one's 91. Second was a 91 tune with flames and the pops. I'll show you guys that right now when I get out of here. And the third map's also for the E85, and then the fourth map is E85 plus flames. So yeah, basic. And yeah, with the E85, I'm not running E85. I'm just running 91. I don't really want to go through the hassle of having to switch from 85 to 91 gasoline. I don't really think 85 makes that much of a power difference with the VQ, but I don't know. The full bolt-ons tuned. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how the maps work and stuff. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the different maps on the tune. So let me go ahead and start it up. This button right here, you just gotta hold it down and then press this top button, the cancel button, to whichever number tune you want. So if you want the first tune, just go ahead and hold it and just click it once and then let go. As you can see right there, I don't know if you guys saw, the cruise set light turns on and it'll blink, so that's how you know which tune you're on. So now I'm just gonna go to the second tune, which is the E91 E91 I mean the 91 with the flame map and pops. So 1, 2, as you guys saw there, it turned on. So now I got the pops and flame map tune on. So let's do a couple revs here and see if we can hear it. Sheesh. All right guys, let's go. Now I'm gonna start driving home now. Oh yeah, baby. enough fun for today. Just gonna go ahead and set it back to the normal tune. Yeah, basically, yeah, it's actually kind of bad to do that pop tune and flame map. It's kind of bad for your engine, so I just try not to do it that often. But you know, it's kind of hard because it's hella fun. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Just go ahead and make sure to leave your comments if you guys have any ideas for anything. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and it really helps me out. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Hope you guys have a good day, and peace out.